So in this video, I am going to share music on the tongue drum. So this is the tongue drum. It is a percussion instrument and it's called the tongue drum because as you can see, the slits look like tongues and you can use your fingers to make music on it, or you can use mallets and notice that the sound is more full and rounder. So in this video, it will be a 5-minute music on the tongue drum, and you can use it for your shavasana to help you relax at the end of practice. Or if you are looking at a seated practice for 5 minutes and would want some background music, you can also play this as well. Or if you're looking for some sort of a peace and quiet surrounding, then maybe you can also play this video to help you get into that mode. hope you enjoyed listening to the music as much I enjoyed playing it for you. I hope if you used it for Shavasana, it was very relaxing, or if you had used it for your seated practice, it had given you the results or the intention that you had set at the start. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Ever Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.